Uncle, is egg a fruit or a vegetable?
Egg. Which kind of egg? You see garden egg, you see table tennis egg, you see scotch egg.
Egg as in chicken egg.
Okay, chicken egg. That's what I'm asking, because when they say egg, you have a different many meaning. You understand? It can be crocodile egg, can be mosquito egg. You can be what's it called? Turkey. It can be turkey egg. So, but if you now say chicken egg, that's the one they use for egg roll. You understand? That chicken egg, you cannot say it's a vegetable. Ask me why.
Why?
Because egg on its own is a photosynthesis, like it grow. The other, because you cannot know the meaning of photosynthesis, because that's the teacher when we are in intro-tech school, when we are small. But when you get there now, when you get to secondary school, they will teach you. So it's like a photosynthesis. And vegetable on its own too, it grow. It's a photosynthesis. So two photosynthesis cannot match. You understand what I'm saying? It cannot match. And now, if you look at egg, you can use egg to eat vegetable. If you go to canteen now, if you say maybe they give you rice 100 now, maybe they give you vegetable, you can say they should give you egg. So both of them cannot stay on the same plate. That's life. You understand what I'm saying? Egg now is a food. Because naturally that's what it is. It's a food. That's why when you hear people now say, okay, it's a egg of the womb. You understand? Or you can say it's a fruit of the womb. you can see the way the two tally. That's why they say when the woman is pregnant. You understand? Because when the woman is pregnant, is that egg that is there. That egg is the one that will turn to baby. That's the labor. That's the fruit of the labor. You understand? So egg is a fruit. That's why I say it's a fruit of the womb.
So Uncle, who is a philanthropist? Philanthropist.
Like who's a philanthropy? That's somebody that philanthrop. Philanthrop have different meaning too. A philanthrop is, you can see it in a different way. But the main one of a philanthrop that inside dictionary, let me break it down now. When you see phila, that's the phila that started philanthrop. Phila is a Yoruba word. It's a Yoruba metamorphosis. You cannot know. Sorry for my English. Too much book. But when you reach there, you will get it. You are not grow yet. Phila is a cap in Yoruba land. You not see that Trumpy, philanthropy. That Trumpy now, Donald Trump. That's the president of America. That's his nickname because he's a friend that call him Trumpy. Whenever they see him in the club, where they are dancing, they are Agbero. So he now say, Trumpy Baba. When Donald Trump now wear cap, they now say, philanthropy, philanthropy, Agbero, philanthropy. So that's it.
I wonder which month he was born. I'm sure it's not December.